and you're going to put it in between your these two fingers on the back of your hand and leave it like that. Now you're only going to show these two sides of the hand, and then you're going to take this hand, put it over here, and flip it off your finger and into the other side of your hand. And once you do that, your magic trick's ready to go. Oh, you just need to practice this a couple times. Then you can show with your brother, your parents, your sister, your dad, your mom, your grandparents, really anyone, even your dog. Okay, I take it back, not your dog, but really anyone except animals. And yeah, that's going to be it for today's video. If you're new to the channel, make sure to like this video. Make sure to ring that bell. Make sure to ring that bell. Hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I don't want to see it red. Okay, make that subscribe button green. Okay, bye.